There's a Mount Zion. For the whole Sunday, his children find the way. So get up, and don't let the devil lead you astray. If you know the Babylon in New Jerusalem, Mount Zion, young, gifted and black. Oh, what I love you, precious feeling. You be young, gifted and black. Open your heart to what I mean.
In the whole world, you know, there's a million boys and girls who are young,
Gifted and black. And that's a fact. Come on, black side, let me hear it. What banding? How do you feel when your baby's gone? How can you sleep with no one to keep you warm? You toss and turn, you cry all night. It's such a feeling, Lord, it gives an awful fright. It is so good for you to settle down. Sing it! I love you so much. Peace, love, and togetherness. Thank you so much.
As a company duly established and operating in Jamaica for more than 100 years and having established a track record of excellence, the recognition of same, having actively supported the development of Jamaican music, including reggae dancehall over many decades, Red Stripe is pleased to present the brand's inaugural Living Legend Award in music to Marcia Griffiths for decades of exemplary contribution to the music industry.
Auntie Marcia, thank you so much for all that you've done for music, not only locally, not only for us here, but on the global stage. You are truly a living legend, well deserved.
Put your hands together.
This is Anthony B, and I want to invite all my families, my fans and friends. February 25th, 2023, Club Amazura, Queens, New York. It's a concert, Black and Proud. I'm gonna shout it loud. And remember, it's Black History Month. So go and get your ticket at blackandproudconcert.eventbrite.com. Remember, Anthony B, Turbulence, Giddy Man, the perfect in the house. Real Mackay, the whole family. Yes. Alright. Massive B, music by Massive B, Mountain Lion, Club Amazura, New York, 25th of February 2023. Ear fire.